In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com Whiteboard. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, let's get started by navigating to the main homepage of your Monday.com account. Here, you will find your project dashboard, where you can manage all your ongoing projects effectively. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the plus icon, usually found in the top left corner of your screen. Clicking on this icon will open a drop-down menu. From this menu, hover over the Board option and you will see several choices appear. One of these options is Start with Templates. Go ahead and click on this to proceed. Now that you're in the Templates section, you'll notice a variety of pre-designed layout options available to you. To find the specific template we are interested in, type the word Whiteboard into the search bar located at the top of the Templates center. This action will filter the templates for you. Once the search results appear, look for the one simply labeled Whiteboard. This choice is the gateway to a blank canvas, allowing you to unleash your creative ideas without any restrictions. Click on it to open your whiteboard. Next, you'll see a blue button that reads Use Template. Clicking on this will initiate the new whiteboard within your selected project. It's a straightforward process, making it easy to set up your workspace quickly. Now that you have your whiteboard ready, let's put it to good use. You can add notes, images, and various shapes to the canvas. This helps you visualize your specific thought processes, making it easier to brainstorm and develop ideas. Remember, this space is completely flexible, so you can let your creativity flow. Another useful feature is the ability to connect different elements on the screen. This lets you effectively showcase relationships between tasks or even highlight brainstorming ideas. For instance, drawing lines or arrows between shapes can visually represent how tasks intersect or progress. Collaboration is key in any project, and Monday.com makes it easy to work with your team. You can invite your team members to collaborate on the board in real time. This means everyone can see changes as they happen, increasing your overall project productivity. It's a fantastic way to ensure everyone stays on the same page, avoiding miscommunication and enhancing teamwork. Once you've got everything set up, feel free to explore different ways to utilize your whiteboard. Don't hesitate to experiment with different layouts or features within the tool. The more comfortable you become with it, the more effectively you can use it to manage your projects or brainstorm ideas. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated the process of using Monday.com Whiteboard. I hope this guide helps you organize your thoughts and collaborate more effectively with your team. Happy brainstorming, and see you in the next video.